am creating class 2 dentures. I am setting the teeth in the wax for the lower. This is the upper dish there.
What I want, hold your hands so deep, hands put you on this truth and say goodbye.
So the skill I learned was time management. As we have around 20 to 30 units to do in 1 year, it's been a skill that's helped me a lot.
I've learned how to make teeth. Restore basically full mouth of the patient by either a denture, a crown, an implant, or a bridge. I learned how to bend wires. I learned how to help the people that they want like to have straight their teeth and have an amazing smile and their oral hygiene. And I learned how it's to be part of a team with the great teachers and the great colleagues. I love the environment with the technology, and I improve myself since I started this course.